how you can log in into your ABN AMRO Bank's credit card online account. Now, ABN AMRO Bank is one of the largest Dutch bank. In fact, it's the third largest Dutch bank, and I'll teach you guys how you can log in. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. First, just open up its main site. Just go to www.abnamro.com. Now, this is the official site right here. And if you are in another language, that is, your website loads in another language, just go to this button right here, tap on it, and change your language to English. So after doing that, what you'll have to do is scroll down and check this website out. Now, after you do that, on the bottom you will see the customers section. Just tap on personal banking, and this will redirect you to another page like this, and wait for it to load. Accept the cookies, and right here just scroll down till you find the option to apply for credit card. Now tap on apply for credit card. Now after you tapped on apply for a credit card, you will have to scroll down, and after you scroll down for a while, you will see the option that says credit card online. Tap on credit card online, and it will take you to another page again. Now here you will see the login to credit card online option. Just tap on it and it will redirect you to another website. And right here, type in your username, whatever username you have, and your password right here. And after you do that, you can tap on remember your username. This is optional, so it's not necessary. And after you do that, tap on continue and you'll get logged in. Now, there are other options that if you're not a user, you can activate your account, that is your credit card. And if you've forgotten your username or password, you can just reset it from here. And if you don't have a card yet, you can apply for one from this option. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you log in into your credit card online of ABN AMRO Bank. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Bye bye, take care.